Welcome to another stock analysis video. So today's video, ang i-analyze naman natin na stock is PX or PhilX Mining Corporation. Sa pag-analyze natin, we will use the weekly time frame and gagamit din tayo ng 50-day moving average to identify yung trend ng stocks na to. So if we will look at PX or PhilX Mining, titignan muna natin kung what side yung stock. If bearish pa siya or bullish. So, syempre, if we are trading the Philippine stock market, ang tingnan natin dito is that stock should be on the bullish side. Kasi walang shorting sa Philippine stock market. So, palaging long yung trade na ginagawa natin dito. So, kailangan natin ma-identify yung mga stocks na bullish rather than focusing on stocks na downtrend. So here, if you are looking at PX and nasa watch list mo siya, ang una mong titingnan is kung nasaan side yung candle niya. If bullish pa siya or bearish. So, dito, ang mangyayari is hintayin mo yung stock na mag-cross sa bullish side, which happens on this particular candle. And similar with how to spot this stock is, syempre kailangan natin i-identify yung support and resistance niya before we target to buy this stock. Aggressively, pwede ka na mag-buy dito once it touches or crosses the 50-day moving average. Pero conservatively, hihintayin na ang pinaka-best is to wait for it to break out the resistance. Like on this example, ito pwede ka na mag-buy dito or take a position in this candle as it crosses the 50-day moving average or wait for the resistance bago siya ma-confirm to take or a position. So in this scenario, identify natin yung support just in this area. Then ang resistance would be here. So ang entry natin is breakout ng resistance, which is on this area. So if you are able to spot this dito, position ka na dito sa time frame na to sa February ng 10. And kung nakapag-position ka dito, already 50% na yung gain ng stocks na may hawak mo. Either exit mo niyan would be a percentage, pwedeng yung percentage from this level. Ito, yung from support to resistance and 18%. And probably from this point, 18% gain nila. Pwede ka na mo sell or times 2 mo yun inside the target price. Can also look for resistance. Ayan. Or pwede rin dito banda. To actually nakikit na yung mga target points niya. So either yan kita natin, either pwede siyang bumaba or may tuloy-tuloy siya up hanggang dito sa pinaka-taas niya. Actually, meron pa tayong mga resistance points na nakikita with PX. Pero when this kind of movement, very risky yung mga ganito na movement of stock. So, you need to do your due diligence in taking a position and taking profit from this kind of stock movements. Pwede rin yung hintayin mong mag-breakdown dito sa 50-day moving average. So, hold mo lang siya until na ma-break itong 50-day moving average or bumaba siya again. 50-day moving average. Also, ito yung example na nag-failed yung this one is an example of failed positioning. Ito. Ayan, nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito pero hindi siya nagtuloy. And kailangan mo na mag-cut dito. Then, pero that doesn't mean na that strategy doesn't work. And maghihintay ka na lang ulit ng position. For example, if you take a position dito sa point na to, then nag-fail siya. That's okay kasi ito yung conditions and rules na sinet mo to take a position and exit a position. So, ang gagawin mo lang ulit niyan is to wait for another opportunity which happens here. And then yun, kailangan mo lang mag-set ng mga target price mo kung kailan ka mag-exit. So, sometimes you don't need to be too greedy for you to be able to maximize the profit. And dito pa lang, if you are already gained, pwede ka na mag-sell, probably half or sold all your positions. Pero yan, okay din yung half para yung remaining, ito yung hayaan mo lang siya na ma-hit yung mga target prices niya or ma-hit niya yung sell point positions mo. So yun lamang for today's stock analysis. See you on the next video.